Hello everyone, welcome back to Spotter YouTube channel. Okay, in front of me there's an Infinix GT10 Pro mobile phone, and in this video I will share you a tutorial on how to make WhatsApp notification with a voice that calls us or maybe Google Voice. Alright, let's check it out to the tutorial. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is you have to open the Play Store. You can open it, and then in search engine you can search for text to speech. Alright, as you can see together that there are many applications, but the one I choose is the text to speech or TTS apps. Okay, you can click open. Alright, this is the main display of the text to speech application, and the language here is used of course in English. So now you can start for enter the text over there. You can type whatever you want. Okay, for example, I will type for "Hey Nono, there's an incoming message." And here you can adjust the volume to turn it up or down, or speed it up or slow it down over here. And when you are done, you can export to save the result. You can click for export and you can save the TTS as audio file, and you can enter the file name. Click save and you are done. Okay, now go to WhatsApp to change the notification with the sound we made earlier. Alright, you can click three dots and you can click settings. And then you can click for notification over there. And you can click for notification tone. Well, the sound we made earlier will not be available here, so you have to add it manually and add notification. Then click three line above, and then you can click for your device. And now to speed up the search, you can directly click on the search engine file name that you have added earlier. And when the name appears, you can click. Okay, now you can scroll down and the sound will available on notification tone. You can change for your notification tone and you're done. Alright, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.